This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Thrive Architect in WordPress. Thrive Architect is a powerful visual page builder that allows you to design stunning pages directly within your WordPress site. It's perfect for creating custom layouts, sales pages, and engaging blog posts without needing any coding expertise. You can achieve professional results quickly, saving you valuable time and effort in your website development process. To get started, first install and activate the Thrive Architect plugin on your WordPress dashboard. Once active, navigate to any page or post and click Launch Thrive Architect to open the editor. You'll find a wide array of elements on the right sidebar, ready for you to drag and drop onto your page. This intuitive interface makes building your first page straightforward and enjoyable, even for beginners. Thrive Architect offers hundreds of pre-designed templates and content blocks to jumpstart your designs. You can easily customize every aspect, from fonts and colors to backgrounds and spacing, ensuring your pages perfectly align with your brand identity. Remember to adjust responsive settings to ensure your designs look fantastic on all devices, from large desktop monitors to smaller mobile screens, providing a seamless user experience. Beyond design, Thrive Architect excels at creating conversion-focused pages. Easily integrate compelling call-to-action buttons, lead generation forms, and countdown timers to encourage visitor engagement. Leverage testimonial blocks and guarantee boxes to build trust and credibility with your audience. You can even /B test different page variations to continuously optimize for higher conversions, making your website a powerful marketing tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.